In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free $100 on Cash App. Now, to earn $100 on Cash App, you'll be using their referral program, which is a simple way to make money by inviting friends to join Cash App. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, a card to spend your balance, a peer-to-peer payment screen, and even the ability to invest in Bitcoin and stocks. Recently, more people have been interested in using Cash App and taking advantage of the referral program to earn extra money. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down until you see Invite Friends. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your contacts. In the top right corner, there's a little share icon. Tap that. From here, you can copy your unique referral link. This link is what you'll send to your friends so they can sign up. Once your friends sign up using your link and meet the requirements, you'll earn a referral bonus. Each person you invite could give you $5, and by referring enough friends, you can easily reach $100. You can share your link via text, email, social media, or any other platform where your friends can see it. You can also track pending invitations in the notifications section at the bottom right of the app. This lets you see how many people have signed up and how much you've earned from referrals so far. The more consistently you share your referral link, the faster you can reach your $100 goal. It's important to make sure your friends complete the sign-up process fully and follow any instructions from Cash App so you get credited for the referral. You can even paste your referral link in a browser to check it and see any promotions currently running. And that's it. By regularly sharing your referral link and helping friends sign up, you can make $100 or even more using Cash App's referral program. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.